What is up, YouTube? My name is Piqua and welcome back to another video. We are going to be fishing the Grand Miami. I have a spot here. I can't tell. I don't like to spoil all my fishing spots now just because, you know, just don't like to. But I'm going to be doing fishing the Great Miami River. I'm going to be doing both. I'm going to bring the casting net, so I'm going to try to do, if I don't catch anything with what I'm using now, I'll just, you know, throw the casting net and catch a bait and use that. So, yeah, we're gonna rig up here. I'm gonna be throwing probably just a swim bait and then probably Ned rig of some sort. I don't know what I'll put on it, but something like that. So, yep, I am going to get that going, and yeah, we'll see you guys out there. Strike King tubes, can't go wrong with those either. So, big Z-Man guy for sure. All right, water's a little higher than expected. Usually, hold up. Usually it's not flowing above this right here, but it's flowing pretty well above it. So water's up at least. Like, it's not usually up here at all. So it's up pretty well, but it's still decently clear. So that is a good sign. So it looks like we're gonna still be able to fish here. But usually what I do is I fish above, I fish over there. Those geese are there, here. There are a couple spots down here. Where one? Good fish. Ah, he came off. Dang, good smallmouth. Nothing on the, well, had one on the square bill, but he got off. So we're gonna switch up to the old Ned rig and see what we can do with that thing. Where one? Boom. First fish for smallie of the day. Man, I love smallmouth. They're so cool. Cannot be creek smallmouth, no matter how big they are or small. Pretty little guy. Club. Another one. Drilled it. That's a gooder one. That's a better one. Oh yeah, wow, good one. Good fish, come here. Boom. Let's go. Look at that, dude. I called it. Z-Man baits in the river you cannot beat. Look at that smallmouth. By what? 14-incher? 15? Good quality fish. That's awesome. Well, we're gonna try to get underwater release, but probably won't be that good. So let's see. Right there, right there. Right in front of me. Largemouth too. Wow, good fish. Whoop. Good little largemouth, I'll tell you what. Chunky guy drilled it. This is gonna be dangerous. All right, everybody, hang out. Nice. Good fish. Chunky guy too. Yeah, he's eating good. Got something wrong. Smallmouth. Little guy. Boom. Well, not a crappie, but hey, I'll take it. Good little fish. Need crappie jig, but little black spots. That's pretty cool. Yep. Crappie jig. Here, later, bug. Things to do for smallmouth. Look at that guy. Solo chunker. All right. Very long. Boom. Oh. Oh, he's down in right now. Oh gosh, this is gonna be funny. Hold up.